This tool just changed my video workflow. Wait till you see. Unboxing Taja from AppSumo. Purple box, sleek web app inside. First look. Clean UI. Thumbnail first layout. Modern templates everywhere. Quick demo incoming. This is perfect for creators and managers. Basic description. Taja turns long videos into optimized short clips. AI automatically crops, captions, and generates SEO-ready metadata fast. It also makes thumbnails with your face in high CTR designs. Scheduling calendar previews posts across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, X. Bulk scheduling, drag and drop, and batch publishing save huge time. Hands-on. I imported a long YouTube video via URL. Taja analyzed it instantly. Suggested high-engagement clip timestamps. One click turned the timestamp into a platform-ready short. It auto-created title, description, tags, and chapters for SEO. Thumbnail generator blew me away. Face insertion looked professional instantly. Many templates are customizable for brand color and font choices. Batch exporting thumbnails saved hours when prepping multiple videos. Scheduling UI shows previews for every platform and post time. Drag and drop calendar made rearranging posts effortless and fast. Cross-posting to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, X, LinkedIn took seconds. Analytics gave clear engagement signals so I could optimize strategy. Core advantage. It combines thumbnail, repurposing, and scheduling seamlessly. That reduces tool switching and keeps your publishing consistent. AI suggestions are solid. Manual tweaks remain easy to apply. Metadata exports are ready for platforms and SEO optimization. Repurposing long-form into shorts, reels, clips happens in minutes. It even auto-generates blog and social text posts from videos. For agencies, batch workflows and team features speed campaign delivery. Small businesses get consistent branding across platforms with minimal effort. Creators will love the time saved on editing and uploads. My genuine impression? Polished, intuitive, and surprisingly powerful. A few rough edges. Advanced editing is still basic inside Taja. No heavy VFX, but that's not Taja's main focus anyway. Where it shines is speed, repurposing, thumbnails, and publishing pipelines. Pricing. AppSumo deal gives great value for creators and managers. You can scale thumbnail production without hiring extra designers. Batch exports and scheduling lower operational overhead significantly. Integration across platforms minimizes manual uploads and format fiddling. Security. Web-based SaaS with standard account controls and exports. Tips. Use consistent templates and schedule peak posting times. Also batch create thumbnails the night before publishing for efficiency. Real example. My video got a 20% CTR boost using Taja. Another clip reached new audiences after cross-posting with formatted captions. If you manage multiple accounts, the calendar is a lifesaver. Onboarding was quick. Tutorials and templates make adoption smooth. The interface feels modern, purple theme, tile layouts, clean icons. I appreciated auto-generated captions and comment suggestions for engagement. Monetization workflows help link clips to revenue streams and offers. Limitations. Offline editing and super custom animations still require other tools. But for rapid repurposing, Taja is fast, focused, and reliable. Recommendation. Creators and social managers should trial the AppSumo deal. Warning. Migrate assets and backups before batch-changing metadata en masse. Call to action. Discover Taja's AppSumo deal and grab it today. Link in description leads to the best price and trial options. Final thoughts. Saves time, boosts reach, simplifies multi-platform publishing. If you're scaling video output, Taja becomes indispensable very quickly. Subscribe for more honest reviews and real creator tools tested. Hit like if this demo helped you decide on tools. Questions? Drop them below. I'll test workflows or features for you. Thanks for watching. Go check Taja on AppSumo and experiment. See you next video. More tools to speed your content growth.